You have to avoid touching ghosts in this challenge. Eh? That's scary! Oh no! No! That's scary! This is really scary! Look, see? Even we're scared. Don't be afraid of ghosts. Just hurry and get the forgotten instruments. Five instruments. If you touch a ghost, you have to leave. Oh. Ah! No! No! Ah! No! A banana! Oh man, I'm too small even for the bananas. No! No, 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 no. This is really scary. Oh, that was so close. Woohoo! Oh, that's terrifying. Oh my god. Ah! Ah! Oh, what? Wow! Whoa! You kidding me? No! Oh no! Oh jeez! Why am I getting worse? Why am I getting worse? I'm getting tilted. I'm getting tilted. Wah! Whoa! We did it! Yeah. Yeah, that was really rough.